In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix this site can't be reached error in PC. The first thing you want to do is to restart your Wi-Fi router. And when that is done and you have tried again, and if that is not working, you can go on to the next step. And the next step is to clear the browser cache. And the way to do this in Google Chrome, it might be a little bit different on if you are using another browser, but on Google Chrome, just go to the three dots up in the top right corner, and then you want to go to Settings, and then you want to go to Privacy and Security, and then you want to go to Clear Browsing Data. And inside here, you want to make sure that the time range is set to all time, and then you want to click Clear Data. And the next step is to flush the DNS cache. And the way to do this is to go to the search field down on the task menu. And then you can search for command prompt. And inside here, you want to type ipconfig /flush DNS, and then you want to type enter. And as you can see here, Windows IP configuration successfully flushed DNS resolver cache. And the last step I want you to try is actually to change the DNS server. And the way to do this is to go to the search field again, and then you want to go to settings. And inside settings, go to network and internet. And here you want to choose the connection you have. If you have Wi-Fi, you choose Wi-Fi, and if you have our cable, you choose Ethernet. And inside here, beside DNS server assignment, there is an edit button. Just click that edit button. And on the drop-down menu, you want to choose manual. And you want to use this switch here on IPv4. And on preferred DNS, you can use a DNS server like Cloudflare's 1.1.1 or Google's 8.8.8. And then you want to click save. So this is how you fix this site can't be reached error in your PC. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.